Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Handling missing values is a crucial aspect in data preprocessing, as they can affect the performance of machine learning models. Scikit-learn provides several strategies for imputing missing values, and in this tutorial, we'll explore how to fill missing values using the SimpleImputer and knnimputer classes. 1. Introduction to missing values. Before diving into the code, it's important to understand why you might have missing values in your dataset. Data collection issues. Sensor errors. Human error in data entry. Merging datasets. 2. Strategies for imputation. Scikit-learn provides different strategies for imputing missing values. Mean. Replace missing values with the mean of the column. Median. Replace missing values with the median of the column. Most frequent. Replace missing values with the most frequent value in the column. Constant. Replace missing values with a constant value. You can define this. Additionally, the knnimputer class can be used to impute missing values based on the k-nearest neighbors algorithm. 3. Using SimpleImputer. Let's start with a simple example using the SimpleImputer. Step 1. Import libraries. Step 2. Create a sample dataset. Step 3. Initialize and fit the imputer. 4. Using knnimputer. Imputation can be more effective for complex datasets where relationships between features are important. Step 1. Import knnimputer. Step 2. Create a sample dataset. You can use the same dataset as before, or you can modify it slightly for demonstration purposes. Step 3. Initialize and fit the knnimputer. 5. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to handle missing values using scikit-learn, SimpleImputer and knnimputer. Depending on the nature of your dataset and the relationships between features, you can choose an appropriate imputation method. Key takeaways. Always analyze your dataset to understand the nature of missing values. Choose the right imputation strategy based on the type of data, numerical vs categorical. Imputation can significantly affect the performance of machine learning models, so it should be done thoughtfully. Next steps. Consider exploring more advanced imputation techniques, such as iterative imputer, which models each feature as a function of other features. Feel free to adapt this code to your specific dataset and requirements.